Hi, I'm Evan and welcome to my Canvas tutorials. Today we're going to create what's called a Sandbox course that would allow us to test out the features of Canvas without the fear of impacting our actual course material. And so let's get started. Here I have just my normal, my dashboard, and you can see that I've already created my Sandbox. And so I'm just going to click in here. Mine's called Test Tube since I'm a science teacher. And I'm just going to give you a brief overview of what you might see in mine. And so here, this is just a blank shell of a course. Nobody is assigned to it or connected to this course except for me. That gives me the total freedom to come in and really just play around. I can't suggest this enough that one of the best ways to learn any software is to just get in there and play around. But you'll see that I can click in here to my assignments, and I've tested out dozens and dozens of different posts or assignment types. As a science teacher, I often will use online simulations. And so here's an example of one that I wanted to see, would it embed properly? And so what's the benefit of having a Sandbox course versus just testing things out directly in your courses? If you make a mistake in your normal course, you might end up ruining something that you can't then fix easily. And so having just this safe space for you to create and play around with, to look at the settings, and maybe if you want to try out, particularly if you're trying a new app and you want to see how those apps are going to work with Canvas before you actually apply it to your normal course, that'd be a good idea. So how do we go about creating one? Well, if we come out here back to dashboard, it's really going to be the exact same way that we create any new course. And so up here in the upper right, I'm going to create start a new course. And I'm just going to give it a name. And so I'm going to call this one Sandbox, but you can call it whatever you like. Create a course. And then here we go. We have everything we need. It's an empty course. Now I can go ahead and play. One of the things that I like to do is I will actually go to settings and I will change whatever the name is, or I'll put an image in here so that I can easily identify it on my dashboard. So right now, it's one of my unpublished courses coming down here, and it's just using a blank background. And so if I wanted to put an image there, I could do that. So once again, we've created a Sandbox course to test out features. I encourage you to do it, and I look forward to hearing how it worked for you.